Hi, Brian Dacey here, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV, and you clicked on this video because you're obviously looking at this 2021 Thor Tranquility. And you're probably asking yourself, am I a B-van person? I gotta be honest with you, I've asked myself the same question. So this Labor Day weekend, I decided I'm going to take this van up north to Sedona, try to find a place in the Outback to get away from people and see what I think of it. Overall, see how it works, because I talk to people about B-vans, but I've never actually taken one out, let alone stay in one overnight. I'm going to do that with this 21 Thor Tranquility, and if you continue watching this video, you're going to kind of be able to follow my adventures with it and see what I thought of the van at the end of the day. If you're watching this again, it's because you're wondering if you're a B-van person. I can tell you that the typical B-van person, you're adventurous, you have the means, you don't like people when you're camping, and you work your butt off and you just want to be able to get out and get away. The nice thing about a B-van is you can go anywhere and it's really inconspicuous. There's a lot of versatility that comes with it, but just how much versatility is really what I'm wondering as well. So if you've never owned one of these and you're kind of wondering, do I want a B-van? I'm going to help you out. So what I'll do for now while we're still down here is I'm going to go through some bullet points with you, trying to give you an idea of some of the cool things that this thing has, okay? So let's do that right now. We'll start on the outside first. So first thing you notice is this, I think this is how you pronounce it, Tui awning. Comes out, obviously it has these legs, a lot of awning room under here, you can see, so if you want to get out of the rain, what have you. So number one, outside awning. Number two, this is nice. You have this this table that pulls out. There's a magnet, so it closes. You have a little storage bin over here. I've seen some B-vans where these are actually attached to screws, and what happens is if you overextend them, the screws pop out. But this one's put in pretty, it's pretty substantial. But this is great for, you know, putting drinks or whatever you want on here. You also have a power outlet here as well. Number three, you got these 17-inch oversized off-road tires with the Black Rhino hard alloy rims, and there's a matching spare in the back. I assume that's going to do wonders when you're off-road. Number four, you have both a city hookup inlet for water, and then this behind this door is the gravity fill. So if you want to take water on the road, I believe it holds about 25 gallons, maybe 30. It's a pretty big tank in there. I'd have to take a look at the specs, but it sounds about right. So you can take either water with you on the road, or you can hook up to the city. Out here's your cassette toilet. You push this button, turn the key, you can pull your cassette out. And you've got, of course, your Furion TV hookup. Looks like a hookup for a solar panel. And of course, you've got your shore power right here as well. So all your hookups are on side. You also have this this LED spotlight, which we've had this on at night here, and it's bright. So we got that too. So we're going to combine two things in number five since we're back here. We've got this bike rack, which is nice. Two bike rack spots, two people, two bikes. You go right up here. I believe this flips down. Real easy to get on. And you've got the tow hitch back here. She's a 2500. As you can see, she'll tow 5,000 pounds. So if you want to pull something behind you, like a John boat, a bass boat, or, well, a utility trailer, you can. Number six, screens. Screens are great. This in particular has a magnet, you can see, parts, goes back together. You can unzip it here, roll it up, beds right here. Gotta love screens. You can have the doors open, so you got a screen here, and you have a screen right here. Number seven, 200-watt solar panel on the roof. I'm not gonna get on the roof, but I can show you the solar panel. As you can see, she is full, ready to go. Number eight, and in true Mercedes fashion, you've got dual power seats. The seats, like true Mercedes fashion, are located on the side door. If you didn't know they were there and you weren't observant, you'd probably be on the side here looking for them forever. They're actually up here. Any way you want the seat to move, these buttons move as well. You have them on the passenger side. And of course you have them on the driver's side. So, number eight, dual power seats. Number nine, you have a widescreen navigation, among other things. So if I take this to home, you got your phone here, radio, media. So if you have like a Bluetooth app or whatever, then you have your apps here as well. You'll see something like this on a higher grade B van, something something that costs a lot more than this, but that's a really nice big screen for this van. Very intuitive too. You have a lot of driver assist controls. You've got lane departure warning. You've got laser level cruise control. I believe this might have blind spot monitoring as well. Of course, the backup camera. But you can control driver control features here. You've got everything here. You control the radio, driver control features, you name it. Yep, so a lot of driver assist technology with this. So there is a little feature down here that I didn't recognize with any B vans that I've seen at the conventions or open houses for RVs, and it's this little feature right here. I actually had to pull this off and turn it around to look at it. It says pedal box. So when I Googled that, what I came up with is top 5 add-ons for a B van. The previous owner obviously added this. What it is it's a performance or acceleration boost. Normally you have a little bit of a turbo lag in these diesel B vans, so when you hit the accelerator, it'll take a second for the engine to catch up, and then you launch. But what this does is, if you push this button here, you see the red lights that are coming on. So at that point right now, if I want to accelerate quickly, there's no lag time between when I hit the gas and when she decides to go. That's true from a dead stop or if you're trying to pass somebody. So that pedal boost or acceleration boost or whatever you want to call it, Google it. It's pretty cool. Number 11, fantastic fan. Gotta love these. This sucker right here will displace 300 cubic feet of air per minute. So little ripen here, or you cook something that doesn't smell so good, you burn the bacon, you can get the air out of here pretty quickly. So fantastic fan. 12, BM Pro. You can control everything off of this screen. Absolutely everything. So for example, we were just talking about the fantastic vent up there. So if I push this button right here, when it's turned off, it won't do it while the unit's on, but I can push this, open the vent. I can also see what my tank levels are. I can control all the lights from here. So just push these buttons. As you can see, lights come on. You can also control the awning, and you can pair this with your cell phone, which is nice. So if you want to do this, everything that you want to do on here, you can also do on your cell phone. So BM Pro. Number 13, you have a wet bath. Has a vent in there as well. But as you can see, there's room for you to stand up. I'm about 6'1". I can fit in there. A little tight, but I can fit in there, take a shower. It also doubles as the bathroom. Has a medicine cabinet. Not bad for being on board a 22-foot van. So, next thing I want to show you, she's not plugged in. As you can see, there's no shore power. What's so big about that, Brian? Good question. Follow me. Go in here. So, bring the camera close. Can you hear that? I know you can't feel it, but that's cold air. How are we getting cold air on this air conditioning unit when she's not plugged in? She's got a lithium-ion battery on board, 6,000 watt. She also has a 3,000 watt inverter. So you're truly self-sufficient in this B van. So that's the gist of it. Thanks for watching this. Now you're going to go on the road with me. We're going to see how she does in the real world. I'm sure I missed some features, but if you come in, you'll maybe find some stuff that I missed. Thanks for watching. In the Sedona Outback with this Tranquility 4x4. We're in the middle of nowhere. Got here by getting over rocks, ruts, puddles, you name it. We're here, there's nobody around. You're fully self-sufficient with this. Lithium-ion batteries on board, solar on the roof, she's got an AC. Everything on here you can power with what she has. You don't have to plug in. That's the great thing about it. You get away from people. You can enjoy this for 2, 3, 4 days a week even. Here's the back side of this Tranquility. Here's the bed up there. You do have this mesh screen which closes and stays closed with a magnet strip on each side, or it'll roll up and you can fasten it out of the way, or keep the doors open at night so you have a nice breeze if you're someplace where it's in the mid-60s or so at night. Good storage. I did like the fact that it has these slide out trays, real easy to get to. one here. As you can see, there's another one on the other side. The unit did come with a ladder and this. Found this in here. Really, honestly, not sure exactly what this is for. Pulled it out, couldn't figure it out, but I did know, I did find this out. Boom, does that. If you can tell me what that's for, $500 off. Here's a ladder. Wasn't really sure at first how the ladder attached to this, but then I noticed that there's these rubber guards right here on each side. This is a nice tall ladder. So basically you just lean it against the side and up you go. Real simple. If you want to see what's going on up on the roof, there's your line guard antenna. You got a pretty sizable solar panel here. That's a spotlight right there for off-roading at night. There's your AC. Yep, everything looks to be secure and good to go. And if one of your adventures in the Tranquility includes mountain biking, well, if it gets dirty like this, you've got a convenient spray port in the back. Real simple to use. Nice thing about this, you've got a water pump in the back here. You also have a light. There's your spray port. Real easy to put in. You just push it like that. You can hear the water pump go off. Now, got the spray port. You can spray off your bike. Also, if your flip-flops or whatever get dirty, you can spray these off, spray yourself off. Real convenient feature. One of the nice things that this Thor Tranquility comes with is the rear bike rack. Not quite really secure. I would recommend getting one of these Gorilla step ladders. Makes it a lot easier for you to be able to stand up and actually get the bikes on here. So let's see how this works. This is amazing out here. I can imagine tonight the stars are going to be phenomenal. So, final verdict on the V-Van. Not having taken one up here before, do it. You're going to love it. Again, this is Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV. Come check it out for yourself.